Stock market. Learn and grow with divine blessings. Here are 5 important things for stock market beginners to keep in mind. 1. Education and research. Before jumping into the stock market, it's crucial to educate yourself. Understand the basics of how the stock market works, different investment instruments, and the associated risks. Learn how to read financial statements, analyze company performance, and stay informed about market trends. 2. Diversification. Diversification is a risk management strategy that involves spreading investments across different assets and sectors. By diversifying your portfolio, you reduce the impact of poor performance in one investment on your overall wealth. Avoid putting all your money into a single stock or asset class. Instead, consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and other investments to balance risk and potential returns. 3. Risk tolerance and goals. Set your risk tolerance and financial goals before investing. Understand how much risk you can comfortably handle and align your investments with your long-term objectives. Risk tolerance varies among individuals, and it's important to choose investments that match your comfort level. 4. Patience and discipline. Successful investing requires patience and discipline. Stock prices can be volatile, and short-term fluctuations are common. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on market noise or short-term trends. Stick to your investment plan, regularly review your portfolio, and make adjustments if needed based on your long-term goals. 5. Emergency fund and financial planning. Before entering the stock market, ensure you have an emergency fund in place. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses and provide a financial cushion in case of unexpected events. Additionally, create a comprehensive financial plan that includes your investment strategy, retirement planning, and other financial goals.